welcome to Versatech, where ideas become reality.
We moved into this building in 2013. It was just a warehouse, so we built the offices and the conference rooms you see here. This is our main customer conference room. You see we have some sample parts that are just examples of some fixturing we've done. This next office is where our purchasing, quality, and applications team works together. The apps team also works directly with sales and interacts with the customer on a daily basis. The team puts together both quotes and a visual representation of what we're presenting to the customer. Often they work with operators on the floor to see where automation can have the biggest impact. The mechanical design group then takes that idea and puts a lot more detail into it. They'll lay out a full process with time. They'll also put a full 3D model together and prove out that the process is going to work before we build any parts. This animation gave us a good idea of what it was going to look like once we built this final machine based on the times we calculated. The electrical design group designs the pneumatic and power requirements for each machine. They design schematics for the panel builds on each of the projects. Along the north wall, we have the management offices. This is our production conference room, where many of the operational meetings and project reviews take place. Our saw, material rack, and water jet allow us to quickly manufacture parts and make them at the lowest cost possible. The east side of the machine shop has a handful of lathes and also some 3-axis mills, a few that are equipped with 4th-axis trunnions. The machine shop also does some low volume production that keeps volume steady and also pays quite a bit per part compared to high volume manufacturing. The south part of the machine shop has a couple of cadets and also our 5th-axis decal that is used to make our most complicated parts. We also use an area we call kitting, where we compile all of the manufactured and purchased parts together before we start a build. The assembly team is where everything comes together. They pull in the kit, put the machines together, run all the cables from the electrical enclosure to each component. The team is very diligent in laying out the panels. They make sure everything is tidy and labeled so that the maintenance team for our customers can be pleased every time they open up the cabinet and see what's going on. Once a programming team gets the machine, they work through every step of the process to make sure all the recoveries are present, it does what we want it to do, and the quality is world class. We hope you enjoyed a little taste of Versatech. We look forward to the chance of working with many of you very soon.